So, another sneak peek we have today, just checking on how we're doing with the exterior stucco repair. They've got to work on the second floor to finish that. They've got the windows done over here around the other sides, repaired, and are continuing to do that. I know we have more to go as we get to the second bay windows. But as you can see, this is a pretty big job. The whole house got changed out. It looks like we were able to do a little bit better over there on the other bay window, I'm not sure. They still have to finish above. That's in the bath on the exterior. And we have more to do on the front. A little calculated 1/4-inch gap. Spectacular. The installation of this stuff is best. Absolute best. Oops. Almost fell there. Ciao for now.